Welcome to a new tutorial video about our online configurator. With the configurator, you can create your own individual TB30 or TB40 conveyor. If you only want to test our configurator, registration is not necessary. However, you won't see any prices, and various functions will not be available to you. If you are registered and logged in, you can save, print, and edit your configuration. The button Add to Shopping Cart is available, and in the shopping cart you can print or edit the offer at any time. You can also see the price with the packaging and transport costs. And very importantly, you benefit from the special online discount of 5% minimum. The registration or login apply to both the configurator and the Montech eShop. To begin, visit Montech website and click on the configurator button on the top left. It is designed to make it easy to understand, user-friendly, and intuitive. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will assemble a TB30 conveyor together. First, you specify the required conveyor width, side guides, body, and chassis width. Next, enter the desired length of your conveyor. In a third step, select the operating mode and enter the conveyor mass. Then select the possible drive options and their features. In step 5, you can decide whether you need a belt with or without cleats. Next, select the belt. The drop-down menu suggests belts for industries or with certain properties. Additional detailed information about the individual belts can be found here. In step 7, you specify whether your conveyor should have a gliding plate or not. After that, specify a hinge. You can also configure your conveyor immediately with the appropriate floor stands or mounting brackets. Next, choose the adjustable feet for a secure stand, or left or fixed casters for a mobile use. Please specify the working height. For a stable base, we recommend connecting the floor stand with traverses. Finally, enter the preferred CAD format for your configured conveyor. Using the menu bar displayed on the left side of the screen, you can go to individual configuration steps and change the data you have entered if necessary. And the configuration is finished. As already mentioned, a variety of functions are available in the logged-in mode. You have a 3D view of your configured conveyor belt, and you can save your configuration. After saving the configuration, you can also edit it later if necessary. By clicking the button Add to Cart, you can see the price of the conveyor, with the packing and transport costs. You can also download the quotation or data sheet of your conveyor configuration. It's possible to order your conveyor and secure an online discount of at least 5%. Find the appropriate spare parts and accessories for your configured conveyor. Under Downloads, you can download the operating instructions and CAD data of your configured conveyor. Now it is your turn. Test the configurator and assemble your individual conveyor. If you have questions or require support, we are happy to help you. Your Montech team.